Getting around in the modern world is pretty easy. We hop in the car, drive to the destination, hop out again, go about our lives. It's easy for us driving a hatchback or even an SUV most of the time. What about the guy driving the school bus, or a tractor trailer, or a 737? Then things get a little bit more interesting. Getting those vehicles around in the world and designing to accommodate those vehicles can be a real challenge. Thankfully, now you have access to Autodesk Vehicle Tracking to help out. I'm James Wedding, a technical specialist with Autodesk, and in the next few minutes, I want to take a quick drive through the tools found in Autodesk Vehicle Tracking. You'll see 2D swept path analysis of a bus navigating the city and a truck making the loading dock. You'll see parking lots laid out in mere minutes, giving you the time to explore multiple design options and layouts to optimize flow and utilization. And you'll see an intersection created in just a few clicks, including all the signage and striping to detail the complete design. Starting with simple analysis, Autodesk Vehicle Tracking lets you take a 2D layout of a site and ensure that it simply works. With a wide-ranging library of design vehicles, you can virtually drive the path of the vehicle. With each click, you'll see the front and rear tracking as well as the envelope of the vehicle. And as you click from point to point, you can see how a position can influence the next step in that progression. With more automated tools, you can let vehicle tracking help out even more. You can simply click the desired positions, parallel to a curb or dock, and let the system create the drive path. 4 clicks and you take the delivery truck from the street to the loading dock. When the path is done, you can take those results vertical, showing a drive-through of the approach from a multitude of angles, 3D, in the sky, even from the mirrors as our virtual lorry navigates the parking and loading dock scenario. With Autodesk Vehicle Tracking, you can perform the analysis and prepare the exhibits to make your projects work. Now, when you've dealt with the delivery trucks, let's take a look at the customers. A lot of time is spent working with parking lots. A lot of time. Spacing, fire lanes, islands, accessibility. There's a lot going on for a part of the design that many folks never even think twice about. With Autodesk Vehicle Tracking, simply select a standard for the spacing and size and begin sketching in the lots. You can easily offset rows of parking in larger spaces or draw new lines parallel to the sides in smaller ones. Adjustment for the islands to better regulate flow and parking angles can all be handled with simple grip functionality. Even toggling between standard and accessible spaces just takes a few clicks, and vehicle tracking even drops in the striping and symbology. Autodesk Vehicle Tracking isn't just about the analysis or review of existing work. It also includes tools to help in the creation of roundabouts and native Civil 3D design objects. You might not have created a roundabout yet, but they're growing in popularity. And with a number of built-in design standards, you simply select the intersection point and then begin adding in approach alignments. Each approach roadway selected creates the full geometry necessary for a roundabout. After creation, you can use the intelligent grips to further refine the intersection, such as moving the center point, the centerline offset, the splitter width, and the geometry and signage is automatically updated as well. For full parameter control, you can use a detailed editor dialog. Crosswalk and signage is easily added from the ribbon as needed, and your intersection is complete. With a few clicks, you can move from design sketches to a Civil 3D corridor. In less than 10 minutes, you've gone from 2 intersecting alignments to fully modeling an intersection. This lets you really explore the design, then create the best possible solution. You've seen Autodesk Vehicle Tracking take on drive analysis, parking lot layout, and roundabout creation. Working natively within the Civil 3D design environment, you can take your projects further, faster, with this great tool set. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit this website or contact your local Autodesk partner.